Hello everyone, in this video I will be unboxing Logitech G233 Prodigy gaming headset. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will give link to this headset in description, and if you have any questions then do post a comment. This is a budget gaming headset and you can buy it for around $50. It comes with detachable cable and microphone which makes it more durable. It has 40 mm drivers with 20 to 20 kHz frequency response. Let's open the box and see what's inside. This headset is very lightweight, which is good for long gaming sessions. Build quality is excellent with matte finish, and this plastic does not give cheap looks at all. The ear pads are made of breathable fabric which are also washable. Let's check remaining things in the box. Inside the box there are cables and user manual. It comes with two detachable cables, one with built-in microphone to use with cell phones and tablets, and the other one to use with PC. There is earphone and microphone splitter for PC cable. Flexible detachable microphone. And nylon braided cable to connect it with PC. There is a microphone on-off switch and volume control. Audio quality is very good and clear, which is good for gaming, but there is not much bass, so you might not like it for listening to music. Thank you for watching.